Hello friends! If you use Telegram and frequently face the issue of connecting, then this video is going to be very helpful for you. In today's video, I will share the solution to this problem with you. Please make sure to watch the video till the end. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Play Store and type dproxy in the search bar. Step 2. Download and install the dproxy app and open it. Step 3. Once the app opens, you will see its interface. Step 4. Scroll down and you will see different proxies. Choose the proxy you like and click on the Telegram icon below it. Step 5. The Telegram app will open and you will see a connecting proxy icon at the bottom. Click on it and the proxy will connect successfully. You can see that our proxy is now connected and Telegram is working perfectly. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon to select all so you get notifications for every new video. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Goodbye.